If you're having shoulder or neck pain, try this exercise out. You're going to take 2 yoga blocks, lying on your back, lift your hips up, place block number 1 under the sacrum, and then place block number 2 behind the back of the skull. Straighten your legs out, squeeze your legs together. I like to point through the toes. Hands can rest on your thighs. Start to press the back of the head into the block, letting the shoulders drop down. Stop when you feel that your ears, shoulders, and hips are in a straight line. And then release down. Breathe in. Exhale to lift up. So the chin ever so slightly tucks towards the chest. And again, the back of my skull is pressing into that block. Make sure your shoulders are not hunching up. Release down. We'll do 3 more, nice and fluid with the breath. Deep inhale. Exhale for a long hold squeeze. 2. 3rd one we'll hold for 3. Inhale. Lift up. 2. Last one. And then release down. For a grand finale, finish up in fish pose. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you on the mat.